as we started to like uncover a lot of other opportunities, similar to like my past experiences and learnings, it's like, well, man, like, well, we need to be focusing on these areas, from an asset management perspective. We need to start thinking about like how this all ties into how we utilize our work order system that we use. And it really spun off to like, hey, well, like we're going to have this asset management team that we're going to put together, and, got the chance to be, to lead that team, and, grew the team a little bit. There's a lot of work to do. I would say, from maturity level, there's a lot of work that we have ahead of us. But, I think, as Facebook continues to scale, there's a lot of opportunities that we're focusing on to really not only keep, our customer happy, but then also making sure that we have some very sustainable processes in place so we can be reliable, we can be safe. I mean, at the end of the day, like our mission at Facebook is to give the people the power to build community and just really bring the world closer together. And, our data centers are a big piece of that. So, I'll kind of pause there, but for me, like it was a big shift. I will say, coming from food and beverage, after like 15 or so years, and coming to data centers, never did I think that I was going to be here where I am today. But having a lot of fun, being able to really translate a lot of the things that other industries and even like oil and gas and nuclear and chemical companies do. It's not very different.